Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to calculate the age on Google Spreadsheet. So first, we have the name over here and the birthday. In order for you to calculate the age, just simply add another column, which is the age. Now from here, just put an equal sign. And after that, just simply type date diff. And from here, just simply click on this one. And now just simply provide the start date, which is B2 over here. And after that, just simply put a comma. And after that, just simply provide the end date, which is today. So just simply type in today. Just simply click on this one. And after that, just simply close the parenthesis like this one. Put a comma. And after that, put a double comma over here. And put Y. Put a parenthesis and put Y and parenthesis again. And after that, just simply close it and enter. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.